Good morning to all my dear children. Okay children, today we are going to do day 6 of our month book 3. Today we are going to do day 6 of our month book 3. Okay, when we come here on the page, on the day 6, we have the writing the letter worksheet. One more worksheet page of letter I. That is the capital and the small letter I. Then turning on here, what we have to do here, we have to match the vegetables with the letter it starts with. So there are the vegetables given here and there are the alphabets given here. तो आपने क्या करना है? You have to match the vegetable picture with the letter it starts with. Now, as if the first picture here is cabbage. Now cabbage is K. K means C. So you have to match the picture of cabbage with the letter C. C for cabbage. C for cabbage. Brinjal. B. So it starts with the letter B. Brinjal. Now B नहीं होता है, ब्र होता है because brinjal. It's a letter B. So you have to match the brinjal with the letter B. Now the next picture here is the picture of a tomato. So now T means T. So you have to match the picture of tomato with the letter T. This is the small letter T. Now the next is the peas, green peas. So it starts with the letter P. P. So you have to match it, green peas, with the letter P. So here we have finished matching the letters with the vegetable name. Okay children, now moving on to the next page. Here you have the EVS worksheet of coloring the fruits. Here are fruits given. You have to color the fruits. The first is the apple, then mango, and then is an orange. So you have to color this pictures. आपने apple को color करना है. Now apple is red in color also, and nowadays you get even a green apples. Then mango. This is a fruit, so we are going to color it yellow in. And the orange, the name itself is orange, so it should be orange in color. Okay children, now moving on to the next page, we are going to learn the new shape. That is, in maths we are going to learn the new shape, that is rectangle. So first we will just recognize what is the rectangle shape. Now rectangle looks like this. This is the shape rectangle. Okay, just like we have 4 sides in a square, in the same way in a rectangle also we have 4 lines. That is one line, 2, 3 and 4. So in a rectangle has 4 lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and has 4 corners. These are called the corners. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the rectangle has 4 sides and 4 corners. Now what is the difference between the rectangle and the square? Now in the rectangle there are 4 sides. In the square also we have 4 sides. But in the square all the 4 sides are same. 4 lines are same in size. But in rectangle the 2 opposite sides are same. So this line and this line are same in size. ये वाली line और ये वाली line same होती है. And this line are same. This and this line are same. But these 2 lines are not same. ये छोटी बड़ी होती है. देखिए जैसे this is the big line and this is the small line. So ये line जो है वो long है, ये वाली short है. So in rectangle the 2 opposite sides are same. जो 2 opposite lines है वो same होती है size में. So now I'm just going to show you few examples. As you have your compass box, आपका compass box होता है वो rectangle shape में होता है. Now you use the scale, that is also rectangle in shape. Eraser भी होती है वो rectangle shape की होती है. Now the book, ये जो book है वो भी rectangle है क्योंकि इसकी जो ये 2 sides है वो लंबी है, जबकि these 2 sides are shorter. और ये दोनों ऐसे same होती है sides. So the book is also rectangle. फिर यहाँ पे I have a box that is also rectangle in shape. So these are the few examples. So in the same way there will be many things in your home. When you check it out, you will know that how many things that you can find they are rectangle in shape. Now here what we have to do down, join the dots and color the rectangle using different colors. what you have to do, you have to trace on the given dotted lines. आपने इसको trace करना है. Different rectangles है, big and small. So आपने you have to first trace the dots, and then you have to color it in different color. You can color any color of your choice. If each one should be of different color. जैसे अगर ये red है, ये yellow है, ये green है, any color of your choice. So you have to finish up with this worksheet. Okay children, now we are going to learn one Hindi rhyme that is on the back side of your book. That is here on the back side of the book. The name of the rhyme is देखो एक डाकिया. Now who is the डाकिया? डाकिया is a postman. देखो एक डाकिया आया, थैला एक हाथ में लाया, पहने हैं उसने खाकी कपड़े, कभी ना बिगड़े कभी ना अकड़े, चिट्ठी में संदेशा आया, शादी में है हमें बुलाया. सो ये हमने एक और हिंदी की राइम सीखी जो थी एक पोस्टमैन पे. डाकिया मीन्स अ पोस्टमैन. व्हाट डज द पोस्टमैन डू? द पोस्टमैन ब्रिंग्स द लेटर. So this you have to recite. Okay children, now we are first going to learn how to draw an ice cream. So it's very easy. You have to make a V shape. It should be little round. We are going to draw a cone. That is a cone ice cream. So first you have to just make a V shape like this. Then from here you have to make the bumpy lines like this, and then from here you join it making a half circle. So this is a ice cream. Now you can have the topping of your choice. ये आइसक्रीम स्कूप होता है जो हम खाते हैं. So you can have of your choice. And then here we are going to make the slant lines. यहाँ पे हमें क्या बनाना है? हमें slowly slant lines बनानी है. एक तरफ बनाने के बाद we will go across like this. Opposite side से हम वहाँ पे slanting line बनाएंगे. So यहाँ पे एक ऐसा डिजाइन आएगा. Now this you can have of your choice. जैसे अगर आपको स्ट्रॉबेरी आइसक्रीम पसंद है तो you can color it pink in color. If you like the pista then you color it green. आपका जो भी favorite flavor है आइसक्रीम का you have to color it. So this is the way you are going to draw the ice cream. And then you have to color it. You can draw this on any of the paper you have, white color paper. And then of course we have a cherry up here. If you want you can make another scoop also. So this is the way you are going to. So what will you do? First you make a V shape like this. Then यहाँ पे you have to just make a bumpy curves, and then here you have to join it using a half circle, and then you have to color it. And you have to color it here also. आइसक्रीम आप अपने फेवरेट फ्लेवर के हिसाब से कर सकते हो. लाइक इफ यू लाइक द स्ट्रॉबेरी और वेनिला और पिस्ता, चॉकलेट. अगर चॉकलेट है तो आपको उसे राउंड कलर करना है. ओके, दिस इज द वे यू कैन ड्रॉ एन आइसक्रीम कोन. ओके चिल्ड्रन, सो इन डे 6 what we have learned was is we are going to write the I, then we have to match the letter with the vegetable, and then you have to color the fruits, and then We have learned one more new shape, that was a rectangle. Again you have to join the dots and color the rectangles using different color. That is all for the day. Bye bye and take care.